Good evening, it's me, Gabby Gale, with The Gabby Gale Show. I'm inviting you to join me and my daughter, Sounds of Shar'e, for our launch of exclusive cooking segments.
Starting with Chef Randy of Serious Eats.
Right in the time for holidays, we're cooking it up in the kitchen with some of your favorite chefs and food trucks and restaurants. Stay tuned.
Make sure you don't go anywhere because you'll be able to catch this segment December 12th at 7 p.m. You don't want to miss it. Show will be available on YouTube under The Gabby Gale Show and up close, unplugged, and uncut. You know it's your girl, Sounds of Shar'e.